Supercharging P6. Introduction. The purpose of this video is to show how to increase the speed in P6 using supercharge tools. These tools are synchronizing from Excel to P6 and vice versa, and Excel with its functions and VBA macros. A stopwatch will be used to measure the time spent on preparing tasks in the P6 in normal mode and the speeding tools above to compare the speed of each method. First, WBS. Excel and synchronizing functions will be used. The WBS made in Excel has 1,811 items within 11 levels. First, let's open the P6 and check the ABM project consulting and planning that had already been created and with no WBS item. To create a WBS in P6 by its normal mode, I would spend an average of 26 seconds to enter an item of the WBS. As the WBS has 1,811 items, I would spend a total of 784 minutes and 76 seconds. We're going to use the synchronizing and Excel formula to create all 1,811 WBS items on P6. Let's synchronize from P6 to Excel project that I created in the P6, which will be the first level of the WBS. Let's copy all the 1,811 items from Excel to synchronizing timesheet. Insert in the WBS column, read only, an index function of Excel. And in column parent, WBS ID, the VLOOKUP function. Go to Login tab, WBS, and click on Run command to send the WBS to the P6. While Synchronize is running, you can work in any other programs as on P6 itself, emails, etc., except Excel, in order to keep your computer working for you. Now, I am going to pause the video with synchronizing, but sending the WBS to P6 will be timed and informed once result is completed. Go to P6 and make sure all the 1,811 items from WBS were created. The time to create the WBS by synchronizing was 31 minutes and 29 seconds. Dividing the total time spent on typing to P6 by the time spent with synchronizing, that is, dividing 784 minutes and 76 seconds by 31.5, and then we have a speed 24.91 times faster with synchronizing. Resource loading, Excel, VBA, and synchronizing are used. To load the resource in the activity, by the normal mode of P6, we spend 22 seconds for each resource on average. As we have 327 resources, it would take 120 minutes. Now, we are going to use Excel, VBA, and synchronizing and time it. There is a task worksheet with project quantity given by bill of quantity, where the column index that identifies which resource composition best suits the activity was added. We have an Excel VBA macro that will calculate the budget units of each resource and will insert them in the task RSC task resource below each activity in the same format of the P6. First, the macro to clear the task RSRC worksheet task resource. The second macro will run the calculations and fill in the task RSRC worksheet task resource in the same format of the P6. Now, we are going to copy the ID of the activity, resource ID, and the budget units calculated and paste in the synchronizing sheet and send it to P6. Go to Login tab, Loading Resource Guide, Excel P6 Synchronization Direction, and then Run. Open the P6 and check the loading resource in each activity. The time was 1 minute and 56 seconds. Comparing the speed of both methods, we would have 120 divided by 1.56, which would result in a speed 60 times faster by synchronizing and VBA. Conclusion: both topics in these videos are chapters of my super advanced P6 course, which has been translated into English. It is quite easy to learn by yourself. All you need to do is to read the book, watch the videos, and assimilate its technology. Contact by email miranda@primaverap6.com.br. That is Miranda, MIRANDA, at Primavera P6, PRIMAVERA P6.com.br. Thank you very much.